The tracking says delivered. It's not there. Before you assume theft, rule out the boring explanations because they're the majority. Carriers mark packages delivered before they actually are, sometimes by a full day. It went to a neighbor. It's behind the gate, in the bushes, at the back door, or with the leasing office. The driver's GPS breadcrumb, which the carrier can see even when you can't, often resolves it in one call. Start with the carrier and the seller. Both have processes, and the seller is usually your fastest path to a replacement because their relationship with the carrier is worth more than yours. If it was actually taken, here's what people don't realize. Mail theft is a federal offense, and packages in the postal stream fall under the Postal Inspection Service. That's a real agency with real jurisdiction, and organized package theft is exactly what they work. Your evidence is a doorbell camera, a neighbor's camera, or the building's. Get it now, because most of these systems overwrite in days. What you should not do is track down a suspected thief and confront them. This is where these stories end badly, and it happens regularly. If there's a pattern in your neighborhood, and there usually is, the police care much more about 10 reports than one. Locator Skip Tracing.com has been supporting theft investigations since 2004. Start your search today and subscribe for more videos.